Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn off comments from a Facebook post. So after you open your Facebook app, you have to go and click on that icon with the three lines to the top right corner and then go to see your profile. After you do that, on the profile section you have to go down and scroll and search for the post that you want to turn off the comments. After you find the post that you want to turn off the comments, you have to hit this icon with the three lines right here. And as you can see, you have this option, who can comment on your post, and you are going to click on that. Right here, as you can see, I have selected this option, your friends on Facebook. So only my friends from my Facebook account can comment to that post. But if I want to turn that off and I want to disable the comments from my Facebook post, I have to select this option, profile and pages you mentioned, and then hit the done button. So after you do that, no one would be able to comment on your post anymore. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.